Hello cowboys and cowgirls, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I know you're all wondering what am I doing in the woods. I'm spoiled of choices this quarantine season. I'm wondering where I'm gonna enjoy my holiday. Is it in the woods? Is it in the bedroom? Is it in the sitting room? Is it in the kitchen? I'm spoiled of choices. Where are you going to spend your Easter since now we are all home staying? It's staying at home. There's no place to go. But I'm here to tell you guys, there's a simple hack you can do and feel like you've gone out, like you had gone on a little self picnic. And do you know what is it? It's about setting up. It's called cover setup. In short, it's like how to put your cutleries together to treat yourself and make yourself feel like you're in a restaurant, like you're in a picnic, like you're in a beach, having some lovely cocktails and all that. Guys, jipe raha mwenyewe. Give yourself joy. That is direct translation. Give yourself joy. Jibamba ya mwenyewe. So, I'm going to show you a bit hack of like doing a cover setup for yourself or you and your loved ones, depending on how you feel the vibe is. But now we are social distancing, by the way. You should keep distance. So, sasa ni kujipa raha wewe mwenyewe, like enjoying by yourself. So, please subscribe to my channel. Just click to the red button that is written subscribe and with a small bell. It's absolutely free. How lippy? How lippy? Help a girl here reach to a 1,000 subscribers at least. Just 1,000. And I'll appreciate you. For all my loved ones who have already subscribed already and still on, you're my cowgirl cowboy gang. I got a job for you. But now let's go and do the cover. I hope you enjoy. Like I said before, this is the season of keeping yourself happy, treating yourself up. So you'll begin by laying up the mat. You just lay a mat there on the table or your stool or your dining table. And yeah, just set up the mats in a very simple way so that you can be able to start up your setup of the cover. Simply it's clean cutlery being placed on a cover. I forgot to say that your setup is usually determined by the kind of mail you have. So my setup is going to be a very simple setup because doesn't have many courses. Courses for people who are in culinary, they understand there are places where you even have main courses, like 7 to 8. I mean 7, 6 courses, but mine is just a normal meal. But I need to spice it up, so I started with my spoon, like my main meal spoon. My second tool is the stick knife. Don't come at me at it. I'm using a butter knife. Huh? Yeah, I know. Like I said, this is home kind of cover. Like it's not a serious cover, so You improvise. Since I didn't have a stick knife, I have a very sharp butter knife that you can use to cut your soft meat. So yeah, you use your stick knife. Stick knife is usually sharp at the edge, but as you can see here, I wanted to improvise. The next tool is the stick fork. It's usually sharp pointed at the edge, and one thing you realize, I'm putting it on my left side of my hand. Reason being, there's no way you can use a stick knife on the left hand and a stick fork on the left hand. So you can see the stick knife is on the right. The stick knife is on the right, yes, and the stick fork is on the left. That is how your pattern should be. And also look at the symmetry. Symmetry is the edges. Are they parallel to each other? That's what's up. My fourth item here is a dessert fork. And as you can see, I haven't put what do we call it, dessert knife, because I'm eating small diced fruits, whereby I didn't need the dessert knife. Also, another thing you can notice that dessert fork is usually short. The edges are usually short. Yeah, so that's what's up. It is different from the stick fork. Note the difference. The last items and the fifth one is the glasses. That is the water glass and the wine glass. I know you all can see it's a short glass. It's for white wine. And yes, I'm going to take red meat. Don't come at me. Like I said, it's about giving yourself happiness in this video. So you can use all those items, but I was trying to show you a small way of setting up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And try your own setup in your home. Use what you have. It's a matter of improvisation all the way. Don't come back at me saying, oh, I'm using the wrong things. All culinary people know how the setup is usually done, but I'm trying to show you a simple way of making yourself happy at home.